Me and Sunkissed did team up to bring you guys this video, which is freaking exciting because honestly, I have genuine love for the products that I'm about to show you. And that excites me because I get to share it with you guys. This is their Bronze Architect face palette, which has literally everything you'd need inside to bronze and glow. I'm gonna be taking the bronzer. I'm just putting this everywhere I would normally bronze. Blends out like a dream. I freaking love the color. It's the perfect sort of warm bronzy color I love. This is their I must have eyeshadow and highlight palette. So this is what it looks like. This is so cool for a drugstore palette. There's some shades in here. Blend that into the crease. Can we see how easy that blended out? This eye palette for me is like, I'd call it like a finishing off palette. The look is complete. I am real happy with the way everything looks on my skin, and I can't believe that all these products are under £10. But my mind is actually blown.